President Joe Biden announced the public health emergencies in place for COVID-19 are coming to an end in May.
The big question, what does that mean for you, right? Things like COVID-19 tests, vaccines, and treatments, they're all impacted. WDRB's Monica Harkins details the extra costs that be coming your way.
Nearly 3 years since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, and President Joe Biden announced an end to the national emergency and public health emergency declarations.
And there is a lot in the air as to what this means for the delivery of COVID-19 vaccinations, testing.
Kelly Talby with nonprofit Kentucky Voices for Health says for Kentuckians and Americans alike, the changes will more than likely come at a cost.
Anytime you do add a cost, that is obviously an obstacle and a barrier that prevents people from seeking out the care they need.
With the removal of the emergency declarations May 11th, free COVID-19 test kit delivery from the federal government will stop, and costs for vaccines and tests will likely vary by insurance.
It prevents people from making sure that they're not spreading the disease. It makes people delay reaching out to a doctor for care.
Hospitals were also getting extra payments to treat COVID patients. That ends too.
Although so many individuals may have personally moved on, as they say, the pandemic has long-lasting implications that we will see for many years to come.
Ryan Babb manages a University of Kentucky healthcare pharmacy and says pediatric COVID-19 vaccinations might be in question.
The biggest concern for us is while there is the FDA-approved Pfizer vaccine for 12 and up and Moderna for 18 and up, the ages below that, so the pediatric and the infant vaccinations, those are still under emergency use authorization, or EUA. Therefore, there's question of, will those be available or will they be covered by insurances or Medicare?
Babb hopes that if costs rise, there's an effort to continue to advocate in favor of the COVID-19 vaccine.
It is very early, and we're still in the process of figuring out where everything's going to stand.
In Louisville, with photojournalist Frank Stamper, Monica Harkins, WDRB News.
COVID-19 has not stopped spreading. In fact, just on Monday, the head of the World Health Organization announced that the coronavirus is still a global health emergency.